Hey everyone, Ivars here. Let's dive back into the market together. The first trade is in the books, and I managed to lock in a tidy profit of 3.05 USD thanks to a well-placed trailing stop loss. If you caught my last video, you know I've been keeping an eye on the lower time frame after setting up Fibonacci speed and resistance fan on a daily basis. Now, let's take a closer look at my entry point. I made my move at 523.78 on the 5-minute chart, seizing the opportunity presented by a test of the previous low. The gap up in price from that yellow shaded area sealed the deal for me. It was a bullish sign. I could have waited until the end of the trading day to buy, but with evening approaching, I had to make my move. Keep an eye out for more bullish signals in the upcoming videos. Last Friday was packed with news from the Fed, but remember, this is swing trading, not intraday trading. I might bide my time before making the next move, especially since the previous high now acts as a resistance level, marked in red on the chart. If you're eager to stay in the loop, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for tuning in, and I can't wait to catch you in the next video.